Diction in speech to text. When you have a search field, if you start typing in it, oftentimes the web resource will begin to make suggestions. I typed in SHA, and you can see in the drop down that it's suggesting that I might be searching for shadow, shapes, shape, shark, and so on. The same is expected of our voice to text tools, that they are able to predict what you are typing and offer suggestions based on that. So if I select in my search box here and I choose my prediction tool from Read and Write, you can see without even putting anything into the text box, it begins to offer me some suggestions for what I might like to search for. If I start typing in something, it gives me some suggestions based on what I'm typing. I can use my number keys to select the option that best aligns to what I'm looking for and have that fill in. You'll see it even goes on to suggest now what might be my second word, and if I select one, what might be my third word if I'm typing several search terms together. So this is an example of prediction functioning within a text input field.